we want to prove the equation that the x-coordinate of m satisfied is x to the power 3 is equal to 9. And at point M, it is the point that is on this graph where it is a minimum point. So let's make use of calculus. Let's try to find dy dx, equating it to be equal to 0. It should provide for us an equation that is in terms of the x-coordinate of m, which should be x to the power 3 is equal to 9. Let's give it a try. We want to find dy dx of this. So let me rewrite this as 6x to the power of minus 1 over 2 plus x. So from here, dy dx is going to be 6 multiplied by minus half. X to the power of minus half minus 1 is minus 3 over 2 plus 1. So dy dx is going to be this multiplied by this is minus 3. This using indices, I'll bring this to the denominator. So x to the power of 3 over 2, then this plus 1. So at a point M, that is when it is this curve here is experiencing a minimum point, so that is also when dy dx should be equal to 0. So we will let this be equal to 0 minus 3 over x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1. This is equal to 0. So 3 over x to the power of 3 over 2, this is going to be equal to 1. This implies that x to the power of 3 over 2 is going to be equal to 3. And if you were to square both sides, on the left hand side we will have x to the power of 3, and on the right hand side it is 3 to the power of 2, which is 9. And this is the equation that the question wants us to show.